There are two types of people in this world. One, the ones who wait for things to happen. Two, and the ones who wake up and make it happen. Let me ask you this. Which one are you? Because right now, while you're watching this, someone out there is grinding. Someone is learning. Someone is becoming unstoppable. And you've got the same hours, the same world, the same fire inside you is just waiting to be unleashed. Life isn't a movie where the hero magically wins. It's a battlefield, and the only ones who survive are the ones who show up every day, even when it hurts, even when no one's watching, even when they feel like giving up. You were not made to be average. You were made to withrise to rule stars, and to rewrite your story. So stop scrolling, stop doubting, and start becoming. Because the world, it doesn't need more noise. It needs people like you, relentless, focused, unstoppable.